On-screen bold text on a plain background. So, you think you know all about AI tools? Let's talk about 7 you've probably never heard of but need in your life right now. On-screen Gumloop logo. First on our list is Gumloop, Aero 10, an AI tool that revolutionizes the way we deal with emails. Ever drowned in a sea of promotional emails, social media notifications, and tedious updates? That's where Gumloop swoops in and helps you float. On-screen Gumloop interface. Gumloop helps you sort your emails into different categories. Using its AI, it creates filters to auto-label your incoming emails, promotions, notifications, personal, and more. It also boasts a snooze email feature, so you can avoid distractions at work and deal with less critical emails later. On-screen Notebook LM logo. Next up at Oro, meet Notebook LM, a language model tool you didn't know you needed. If you've ever struggled with writing, be it a blog, an email, or a script like this one, Notebook LM is your new best friend. On-screen Notebook LM interface. Notebook LM has an ability to understand context, generate text, edit, and even summarize large documents. It uses cutting-edge AI to learn your writing style and helps you produce content that sounds exactly like you. On-screen HeyGen logo. Rolling into O2O Quo, we have HeyGen. Now, this is not your regular text generator. It's a creative AI that's specifically designed to help you generate new ideas. On-screen HeyGen interface. HeyGen takes simple input from you and turns it into a wide variety of creative concepts. Whether you need a catchy slogan, a blog title, or unique product names, HeyGen has got you covered. On-screen Pixels logo. At O250, we introduce Pixels. If you're into digital art, you'll want to know about Pixels. On-screen Pixels interface. Pixels is an AI-powered design tool that helps you create stunning digital art in seconds. You just choose a style, upload your image, and let the AI do its magic. It's like having your personal digital artist. On-screen 11 Labs logo. At O340, here's a game changer for developers and data scientists, 11 Labs. This AI tool helps you build and train machine learning models without any coding. On-screen 11 Labs interface. 11 Labs uses visual building blocks to represent different parts of a machine learning model. You simply drag and drop these blocks to create your model. It even provides real-time feedback and optimization suggestions. On-screen Manus AI logo. Moving on to 0430, we have Manus AI. This AI-powered tool helps you with tedious document processing tasks. On-screen Manus AI interface. Manus AI understands complex documents, extracts key information, and organizes it in an easily understandable format. Whether it's contracts, invoices, or reports, Manus AI saves you countless hours of reading and analyzing. On-screen Taja AI logo. Last but not the least, at 0520 we have Taja AI, an AI assistant for online shopping. On-screen Taja AI interface. Taja AI finds the best deals, checks product availability, and even predicts price drops. It's like having your personal shopping assistant who's always on the lookout for the best bargains and hottest products. On-screen PlainAI logo. And there you have it, 7 powerful AI tools that you probably didn't know exist. So the next time you're drowning in emails, struggling with a blog, or looking for a shopping deal, remember, there's an AI tool waiting to make your life easier. On-screen closing remarks. Before we wrap up this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into the world of AI. We're always on the hunt for new tools that can simplify your life and work. Until then, remember, if there's a problem, there's probably an AI solution for it. On-screen, end screen with subscribe button and other recommended videos.